Yesu basala kufunye bade mkasimu wetu yabakenge wakone kufa na wadona kusowa wakulikala wakuya wakulima wasubiri Yesu efe mzabeli ipaefe wakasi munga wakutuka simo saka wakanana na Elijah wakanana na Moses basala watule efe Yesu wapilifu mfana wakatane nimo impasa ndiweni wamesia kulima basuti wake wasiwa sikuwa ilipuse yeni na nima kwa looking for Saturday, we don't know what's in our salon. What's in our villa, what's in our food, we don't know any fans of life, we don't know what's in our salon. What's in our loving Lord, he's from Pulu for what's in our salon. And Jerusalem, Assessia, what's in my Jerusalem, what will be our color, Jesus, from a Kadima salon, what we know is a million salon, what's a good melody now, what's what's Santa to manage, Sassia Jerusalem. Ukisha wakana wa inaweza wasababi in actions wakuna wasili wa inaweza wababi in actions watunafia wasapya wasia ya Jerusalem Jerusalem asiana ayongena eJerusalem umakuwa songane ngesokuthi bazalwane bela ngabantu Jesu yongena eJerusalem singabantu songane ukuthi Jesu abona abantu abanzela songane ukuba bafuthi lababili uthambane abanzela songane ngisafuna sifasiwe sinawo baonasha sifasiwe sinawo baniwe sifasiwe asikaza sikithelele yakhuluma ngani Jesu basala yakhuluma ngathi basalone esakaza simpheyise ukhola ngomusa saluthola uJesu abanomlanza loye abanomlanza loye nakhona lokhalako athi ngithathela ngenzofile ngithathela ngihluphekile ma ngithathela ngesidlulane uJesu thele ma ngathi Nkosi yami uJesu khululani lomuntu